Easy 20 minutes Friday evening dinner. We're using French fries, some chicken breast, and fresh salad. Welcome back to the channel, friends. Let's make this one. For the salad, we need carrot, tomato, red onion, cucumber, and lettuce. So we're going to wash these, peel, and slice thinly and put aside till we're ready to have lunch. So here I'm washing my veggies and I'm going to start prepping my salad. So continue watching, friends, and I'll catch you further on in the video. Here is the salad. Now we're just going to cover this and put in the fridge. And when we're ready to have lunch, we're going to use some Italian dressing. These are some chicken breasts I slightly seasoned and breaded. And we have some store-bought French fries. I'll be doing this in the air fryer. So I'm going to preheat my air fryer for 5 minutes, and then the fries will be done in 14. So that's 20 minutes. So continue watching, friends, and enjoy the music. Dinner is ready to be served, and this was finished in 20 minutes. So this one is a fast but delicious dinner idea. So here is my finished dish. I have my chicken breast fillet, my French fries, and my salad. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you on another upload.